In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Presenter View in PowerPoint. Start by opening the PowerPoint presentation you plan to deliver. Presenter View is designed to make presenting smoother by giving you a private control panel that your audience can't see. It's especially helpful when you're using a second screen, like a projector or an external monitor, but you can also practice with it on a single screen. Next, head to the Slideshow tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This tab holds everything related to presenting. Look for the option labeled Use Presenter View and check that box. Turning this on ensures that when you start your slideshow, you'll see your notes, a preview of upcoming slides, and navigation tools, while your audience only sees the current slide. Now you're ready to start the presentation. Click from Beginning if you want to start at slide 1, or from Current Slide if you want to pick up where you left off. Once the slideshow starts, you'll notice your Presenter View layout. Your current slide appears large, typically on the left. On the right, you'll see your speaker notes. You can make the notes text larger or smaller using the controls below the notes pane, which is great if you're a bit farther from your screen. At the top, you'll see a timer and a clock to help you stay on schedule. You can pause or reset the timer if you're rehearsing. To navigate, use the on-screen forward and back arrows or the thumbnails to jump to any slide without the audience noticing you're skipping around. You'll also see a preview of the next slide so you can transition smoothly and keep your delivery confident. PowerPoint gives you simple tools to highlight content as you speak. Open the on-screen tools and choose the laser pointer, pen, or highlighter to draw attention to key points. If you make marks you don't want to keep, use the eraser or switch back to the arrow. There's also a zoom tool during the slideshow that lets you focus on a specific area for emphasis. If your displays ever seem reversed, meaning your audience sees your notes and you see the full slide, use the Display Settings menu at the top of Presenter View and select Swap Presenter View and Slideshow. That instantly puts everything on the correct screen. That's it. By turning on Presenter View, starting your show from the right place, and using the notes, navigation, and highlighting tools, you'll deliver a more polished and engaging presentation every time.